Hi everyone, Nicole here from Using Technology Better, and today I'm going to run you through some of the incredible January updates from Monday.com. So let's dive in. The first update that we have is in the Monday Workdocs. We have now got inline mentions. So I can be typing away in my meeting minutes, hit the slash, and I can mention people, emoji, or I can mention other dogs. So here I might want to refer to my meeting minutes. I might want to refer to my January updates doc. And you can see as I'm typing, that's filtered down to those docs with the same naming. The next feature we have is filters on the active automations page. So when you come into your automation center, you'll see we have now got this filter option right in here. So we can click into that. It's going to give us status filters, as well as being able to search for owners, specific triggers, or apps used. So you can see if I filter that down to enabled, I just get that one, whereas previously there was actually two available. So a nice one to enhance efficiency. Monday is also launching a new and unified automation center. So when you head to your template automations, you will see now down the bottom that we have the integrations sitting inside this space as well. So this feature will allow users to better connect automations and integrations that together create really powerful workflows. This next feature is on gradual release, and that is new single select and multi-select question types. So this allows users to use features such as drag and drop reordering and hiding options within a multiple choice or single select question. So previously we couldn't reorder these based on board restrictions, but now we can just hover over the responses and we can move them around. You'll see as well here, because these options have already been used in answers, we can't rename them. But let's say that we have users filling out the form later on. We don't want those ones to be available, but we can't change them because previous people have answered with those responses. We now have the option to hide individual parts of the responses from showing. So we can still retain those previous answers while only showing the ones that are applicable to future respondents. Now, you need to be an admin to enable this feature for your organization, and then anyone can use it. So we're going to head to our admin accounts, into the administration settings, and we're going to head to customization, over to the features tab. And if you scroll down, you'll see this feature here, enable your public account forms to use questions with your account data. So what that's going to mean is that we can allow people to include questions using the people field and the connect board field in public forms. So a real game changer. So previously, UTB, we were doing that by having a text field and then automating the text field to allocate a person. And there was just a lot of automation. So this one is an incredible upgrade for us. So let's take a look at that in action. Okay, so here I am in my test form. I'm going to hit the edit button, and I've added a person column, but let's just add another one so you can see how I do this. We're going to add a new question, hit people, and you'll see this trial label pops up. So at the moment, you can have this on all licensing. Hopefully that stays that way, but we can pop in, so it could be select your team rep, whoever it is, and you'll see that people drop down will be displayed here. So it's going to take the people who have access to this board. So let's take a look at that in preview. And we'll see that now, instead of having to type the name, they can just actually select from the options of the people who have been added to that board. So this one is going to be a really good time saver and be allowing you to increase your collaboration with external stakeholders. The last thing we're going to look at is Monday Spaces. So this is a place where you can create workspaces, submit them to Monday for review, and then they are shared for everyone to be able to see and make a copy of to edit for themselves. This is a web page, and you can access it by going to Mondayspaces.com or heading to your profile icon, clicking on there, and you will see a Spaces chip inside of that menu. But you land on this web page, And then I can filter this down by area of business. So let's say I wanted to look at template workspaces for operations. And then I can browse through and look at all these different spaces. So digital asset management, that sounds like my cup of tea. I can see who it's best for, what it integrates with, and get a little bit of information on the problems it solves and the benefits for your workspace. What is really great is that we can then hit Get Space and add it directly to our Monday account from here, edit away, and share it with our internal users. So this feature is going to save you a lot of time and make you a lot more effective, as well as give you a bit of insight into how other people are using Monday in their spaces. So hopefully these tips help, and I'd love to hear how you implement them to increase your productivity, collaboration, and improve your workflows. And I'll see you next month for February's Monday updates.